Hello, boys and girls. Today's math lesson is breaking shapes up into quarters and fourths. So, as little duck says, "Psst, you'll need this. We'll need some colors today. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate our rectangle into halves, right? Equal parts. This is equal to this. But if I cut it again, now I have how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And to show that a little better, I'm going to color each part a different color. So we have a green part, and the green part's the same as the blue part, and blue is the same as the purple part, and the magenta part. They are all equal parts, but instead of halves, they're broken up into what we call fourths. We put a little TH at the end, fourths. We're going to do the same thing with our circle. We're going to cut it in half, right? That's halves. But if I cut it again, we again make fourths. And on your paper, you can pause the video if we're going too fast. You color each part a different color. So I'm going to pick green and blue and purple. Remember, your coloring does not have to be perfect. This is an art class. It's just showing that each part is different but equal. They're the same parts, right? Equal fourths. All right. Now let's look at the back side. A whole that is separated into 4 equal parts is separated into fourths or quarters. Each part is a fourth of or a quarter of the whole. So we have 4 equal parts. We can go ahead and trace that. 4 fourths or 4 quarters. These all are synonymous. They all mean the same thing. All right. Write how many equal parts make up the whole. How many equal parts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape had 4 equal parts. How many equal parts in the circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 equal parts. Draw lines to show 4 equal parts. Write how many fourths. So this time we get to make equal parts. So I'm going to go this way, try my best to show equal parts. That's 2 equal parts. Now I have 4 fourths, 4 equal parts. We're going to do the same thing to the square. Squares are kind of fun. We can do it a lot of different ways. I'm going to do, let's see, they did the diagonal lines on that one. So this one I'll do one going straight down and one going across. And I am showing 4 equal parts, 4 fourths. Okay, you do the same on your paper. How are halves and fourths different? Well, halves, if you remember, halves break up shapes into 2 equal parts, right? 2 equal parts. But fourths, that breaks it up into how many equal parts? That's right, 4 equal parts. Okay, so a halves has 2 equal parts and fourths have 4 equal parts. All right, on your own, a quarter of each shape is missing. Draw the missing quarter. So we're just going to draw to make 4 equal shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, maybe if I just continue this. There we go. Now we have 4 equal shapes. Color a fourth of each shape. Write how many parts are shaded. So a fourth is just one part of the fourth, right? We're going to color 1. So that's 1 of 4 parts. Color 1 of 4 parts. Color 1 equal part, fill in the numbers. 1 equal part, 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, now this one, color 1. We colored 1. How many equal parts are there? 4. Good job. And when you get into 2nd grade, you'll do a little bit more with equal parts and fractions. Heidi has a cookie. She has 3 friends that want to share the cookie. How many equal parts does Heidi need? So we have Heidi is 1 and then plus 3 more friends. How much is 1 plus 3? That's right, 4. So if she has a cookie, I hope it's a big cookie, and she has to divide it into 4 equal parts. There's 2 equal parts, 4 equal parts. That will give Heidi and her 3 friends an equal share of the cookie. Hot problem. Adrian draws a line on the rectangle to show equal parts. She then draws another line to show more equal parts. Describe what happens to the size of the parts. So if she started like this and she just made 1 equal part, isn't this big? Yeah, and then when you cut it again, it makes the parts smaller. So as you make more equal parts, the sizes get smaller. So let's write that. As you make more equal parts, the sizes get smaller. Remember, you can always pause the video at any time to get caught up on your words. So just like when Heidi had her cookie, she has a cookie just for herself. It's nice and big, right? If she shares it with 2 friends, they each get half. It's pretty good size. If she shares it again, each person gets a smaller piece. So the more equal parts you make, the smaller the pieces get. All right, my loves, on your homework, you're going to do the same thing that we just did on the other pages, counting how many equal parts, drawing lines to show the equal parts, and then drawing to finish the equal parts, coloring one of the 4 parts, and then make sure you understand the word fourths. You got this. You are so smart.